This is Sandeep Sinha, CEO of the TAFE Group. I want to share with you a personal experience that me and my company went through in the early part of this year. We were anticipating a very strong demand pre the harvesting season for our tractors, which we sell across the nation. And as we were prepping up for that, we were all, which all of you know, we were hit by this global pandemic, COVID-19, and the entire nation came to a standstill. And while the government prepared the nation to meet the challenges that were posed by this pandemic, we realized that for us as essential goods, we had to ensure a very safe and easy way for our tractors to reach the farmers before the harvesting season. Otherwise, there would be a lot of crop damage. And we were faced with this unique challenge because all the states had closed down the borders, all the roadways were very disturbed, and moving goods between one state to other had become really difficult because of the lockdown. And while we were kind of trying to overcome this situation, I also happened to talk an ex-senior railway official and a good friend of mine, Mr. Prabhat Sahai, and he kind of encouraged me to use the Indian Railways. And so I talked to my supply chain team, and while we were using Indian Railways, we were not giving them a bulk of our freight movement business. And so the team started to work with the Indian Railways, and we got extremely positive response. And that's where our journey started. We were able to move almost 175 tractors per train. And that really helped us reduce our freight time, so by 30 to 40%. And we got damage-free delivery done. There was no damage in any of the consignments that were sent. And we sent quite a lot of trains in the months of May, June, July. And again, this was an amazing experience for us, because what we found was there was a very, very easy indenting process that the Indian Railways had set up. And also, features like dynamic tracking and multi-point delivery. I mean, that is really amazing. And this was all hidden from us. So we discovered this, as you say, necessity is the mother of all invention. And we plan to move our the goods movement. We want to move almost more than 50% now through the Indian Railways, which was as less as 5 to 10% before. And that position has continued with us even post the lockdown being removed. And I wanted to take this opportunity to really thank all the railway officials, particularly teams that helped us in the state of Karnataka, which is where we have our plant in Bangalore, in Madurai, in Tamil Nadu, and in Madhya Pradesh, in Bhopal. And we have been very, very happy with the support, the timely delivery. Actually, most of the trains, now that I kind of got interested, wanted to check how the delivery timing was, most of the trains would reach their destination before time. I think that's really incredible. That shows the commitment of Indian Railways. And, in this time of need for the Indian farmers, I can tell you that we would not have been able to help this harvesting, which was a mega harvest in the months of June, July, had it not been for Indian Railways. And I certainly think we were very, very happy with the service provided to us. I will also take this opportunity to thank our Honorable Railway Minister, Shri Piyush Goyal, for his very proactive approach. And that has cascaded across the organization of the Indian Railways. So thank you. And I look forward to the TAFE relationship to continue and get stronger over the years with the Indian Railways. Thank you.